respected President, Secretary of Sahitya Academy, my friends and beloved brothers and sisters, I have never thought before that my writing will bring me to such place for receiving such a high academic award on play Malamudam, for which I am grateful to God. I am grateful to you all. I am grateful to Sahitya Academy for giving me an opportunity to express my literary experience. Before speaking my literary experience, let me speak something on me. I am born and brought up in Santhal society, and as such, my mother tongue is Santhali. Santhali is an oldest language. I have been writing poetry, novels, and play since my student life. And my source of inspiration are Kavi Sadhu Ramchand Murmu, Pandit Raghunath Murmu, and renowned poet Sarada Prasad Kisku. Santhali literature is growing rapidly. There are many poetries, novels, plays, and travelers unprinted. Santhal society is an egalitarian society. There prevails superstition due to illiteracy in the society. It is an undeniable truth that illiteracy gives birth to superstition. Superstition gives birth to injustice like enmity, slander, jealousy, deprivation, and coercion in the society that forces a man to go from dark to the darkest. Illiteracy is not only cures to a particular society, but as a whole, it is a great barrier to a country in the way of its progress. I have made my efforts for bringing consciousness to the society by highlighting harmful aspects through my writing. 3 plays, namely Sangsar Fan of Kavi Sadhu Ramchand Murmu, Bidu Chandan, Daragathon of Pandit Raghunath Murmu have set a mark in mind greatly. My debut as a playwright by writing Samasdadi, followed by Malamudam, Rup Tahem Gaur, Dulad Kasayana, and Disumdu. I have written many plays for All India Radio also, which have been broadcasted. Besides this, I have many plays, novels, and short stories unprinted. Samasdadi is written based on culture and tradition of Santhal society. This play has been staged in many places successfully. Malamudam is written in such a way as if it is a mirror of the society. In the play, I have shown an egalitarian society, a beautiful society, enriched with love, peace, and beauty. I have shown how enmity, slander, jealousy, and coercion are snaking in the society. I have shown how an egalitarian society as well as a beautiful society is being destroyed. The silent feature of the play Malamudam, Ramchand's family is a happy family consisting of his wife, brother, and sister. But his happy family does not last. The fire of jealousy and slander is set on his family, and that fire burned up his happy family. As a result, brother Rupa and sister Sombhari are driven out from house of their elder brother Ramchand. This is one side of tragedy of the play. Young Ramchand and Kajol fall in love with each other since their school lives, but jealousy-minded people do not let their love last. One day, their love affairs is broken down like a broken bedstead. This is another side of the tragedy of the play. In this way, the play proceeds on through the pain and misunderstanding and detachment. After all, misunderstanding ends and there comes victory of truth, and play ends with happy union. This play has been selected for Sahitya Academy Award 2014. Rup Dahan Ho is written based on social injustice upon women. The Santhal society is on strong foundation. In the play, I have shown how women are ill-treated, dishonored, and tortured by the hand of opportunists. I have also shown why women are leaving their native place forever and taking shelter in a distant place called Namal for earning their bread. They have no alternate but to go to work in brick kiln and engage them in building construction work also. Standing at the edge of the life and death, they have no time to look back whether the society is getting burned or burst. There are also dangers for them. They are blamed to be defying the society, and as such, they are tortured. The play Rup Dahan Ho is an eye-opener to the society. Dulor Kasaida is written for universal brotherhood. In this play, I have shown brothers and sisters grow up in the loving atmosphere of a family under the loving care of parents. As and when they reach their youth, they do not find their room in the family as well as in this great world. They do work and commit murder among themselves, and in course of time, their peace and happiness go missing. The play ends with a mark. There is no death of love and affection in between brothers and sisters in this world. The play Disong Dular is a historical one. The background of this play is Sidhu Kanu's struggle. I have shown in the play how they had united the people against British rulers. I will not take any more. Before concluding my speech, once again I convey my heartiest thanks to all. Thank you.
Now I invite